Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer photos from Android phone to USB drive. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to transfer your photos from your Android phone to your USB drive, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, the first thing that you may want to do here is you want to make sure that you have the right equipment. Now, typically, if you're using let's just say a USB drive that does not have a USB-C adapter or a USB-C port or a male adapter or a plug for it, well, you won't be able to directly transfer your files unless, again, your phone supports a typical USB. But then again, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just purchase any kind of adapter. So typically, this is what it's going to look like. Now, basically, it converts your ordinary USB into a USB-C adapter so that you could just plug it into that adapter and just plug it or directly connect that into your phone. Now, typically this costs around like $3 to $4 depending on where you're buying it. Sometimes they cost more, like around $10 if you're going to buy it online. But in this case, if you do have one, already have one, well, you're pretty much good to go. Now, like what I said, you just need to go ahead and just get the adapter and connect the actual adapter into the bottom of or the port of your phone, and you should be able to basically start the transfer process. Now, what do we need to do afterwards? Now, once you do have this plugged in, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to go and look for File Manager. Now, by default, Android devices would already have their own File Manager. So this is what it looks like. It's going to be like a file, or a folder in your home screen here. But let's go and just click or select it. Now, the great thing about the file manager here is by default, you should be able to see all your files, and that includes the connected USB drive. As you can see right now, USB device is connected or is available in my device here or in my phone. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go and just copy the actual images. So in this case, you want to go and just click on images you see here in your file manager, and you want to go and just press and hold on those images that you want to transfer. Like for example, I want to transfer this 3 images here, or let's just say 4 images, and you want to go ahead and select the move option that you see at the very bottom of your screen. Now, this depends on your phone. Some phones would have the move option already available, but if not, go and click on more at the bottom right here and look for move. But let's go ahead and just click on move. Now, from here, you want to go and choose USB storage, and you want to go ahead and basically select the check at the top right here to basically make the transfer. Now, once we go back into our browser here, select our USB device, you should now be able to see your images, as you can see right now. Now, you can go and start using them or using it in your PC if you want to edit it. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.